Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix WhatsApp messages not delivered. Here are the steps to fix WhatsApp messages not being delivered on your mobile phone. First, check your internet connection. Ensure Wi Fi or mobile data is working and stable. Restart WhatsApp. Close the app fully and reopen it. Restart your phone. Rebooting often resolves temporary glitches. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time. Check if the contact is blocked. Tap the three dots. Tap Settings, Privacy, Contacts, Block contacts. Tap the contact. Unblock if necessary. Check if the recipient deleted their account. If the contact no longer has WhatsApp, messages won't deliver. Update WhatsApp. Open Google Play Store and open WhatsApp if available. Check storage space. Go to Settings again. Storage. Ensure enough space for sending receiving messages. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Switch networks. Try sending messages using a different Wi Fi or mobile data connection. Reinstall WhatsApp. Backup chats via Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, uninstall, and reinstall the app. Contact WhatsApp support. Go to Settings, Help and Feedback, Help Center, and contact us if the issue persists. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.